Hi guys, this is Dr. Bastrom and this is another 1 minute tip of the day video for you. Today's subject is... Today's 1 minute tip of the day videos for you is all about replacing the oil drain plug washer, the one on the left with the one on the right. The one on the left is one-time use only, it crashes and then you cannot reuse it. The one on the right you can reuse it for a lot of oil changes, and it actually is cheaper because it comes as a pack of 6, and this will last you for the lifetime of the motorcycle probably. On your screen you can see the dimensions of the washer to look for, the washer on the right that is. Simply replace and insert the copper washer where the old was, and ensuring that the washer is inserted. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe.